Hi guys, I'm Kraken and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm heading to Triumph showroom at Kanpur. Why? Because there are a couple of issues that I've been facing with my Triumph Scrambler 400X. Not major ones but minor ones like fueling issues mainly. So I bought my bike in December last year. So there were a couple of issues I've been facing from back then. I had got call from Triumph saying they have released a new software update for the bike. I got the call in like January, February, but I didn't get the time to go and do it actually. And mainly because there was no Triumph showroom in Kanpur. It was in Lucknow. So I had to ride my bike till Lucknow and get it done, but unfortunately I didn't get the time for that. Now Triumph has opened this showroom in Kanpur even though they haven't started the servicing here. So what I did is I contacted Triumph Lucknow. What they did is they have sent a technician, a mechanic to Triumph Kanpur here, who will be helping me out in updating the software. And they even said that there's a replacement of the brake lever, front brake lever, I don't know why, for free, I don't know. They said they will be replacing the front brake lever. Even I had got a call from Triumph saying the same. So let's get it done. The traffic is crazy here, you know. I've been to many states, but riding in UP is next level. Okay, so coming back to the issues, what are the issues that I was facing? Number one, whenever the bike is at slow speed, like when you're downshifting from 4th, 3rd, 2nd, so when you shift from 3rd to 2nd, the bike stalls at slow speeds. So that is one issue which I was facing. The second issue which I was facing was that during the winters here in Kanpur, where the bike was cold, and when I'm getting the bike started, the bike just refused to start. You have to switch off the ignition, turn it on again, and then try again, and then the bike would start. So these were the two issues which I was facing, and I'm still facing the slow speed second gear issue still. So it is basically a fueling issue which can be fixed using a software, and Triumph has already done that. It was just me that you didn't get time to go and update the software. So today I'll be doing that and hoping that the issue is fixed. Apart from that, I had taken my bike to Nepal also. I really got to love my bike more. It was feeling that it was the place where this bike actually belonged to. I even got to do some off-roading there, and that's when I realized how capable this bike is. This place is like 5 kilometers away from my place. It's showing 17 minutes, mainly because of the traffic. Though the metro is here, nobody uses it, mainly because of the connectivity issues. Once the other phases of the Kanpur metro will be open, more people will be using it. Right now it is just a straight stretch of line and hardly anyone uses it. That's why the roads are still busy even though there's a metro. So the driving experience in each state is very unique. And one thing which I've learned in UP is that when you're at the road, you have to be extremely careful. Okay, this college guy has got no chill. He has been honking for the last half an hour. Crazy. So I remember the days when I was in Mumbai. I used to ride the Ducati 959 Panigale. I remember the days when I had to go and get the bike service. It was really hectic. Why? Because I used to ride till Navi Mumbai to get my bike serviced. So in Mumbai you are not allowed to use the expressways. Oh, there's a BMW showroom here. Okay, so you are not allowed to use the expressways using a bike. So you have to take the roads beneath the flyovers and all, which are really crowded and the roads are not good. And riding a Panigale on that road was really hectic. Okay, so finally we have reached. Let's see how much time it takes, what all can be done. I have to call this guy. The showroom is still empty. So as you can see, the showroom is empty. I was of the impression that the showroom is open, but not yet. So I would really like to thank Triumph Lucknow for sending this mechanic or the technician and helping me to get my bike serviced here at Kanpur itself.
We got older, but we stayed the same. Swear that we never lost the flame. Nostalgia, you're an echo in my head. Oh, nostalgia, like a symphony of our memories. Oh, nostalgia, don't you ever slip away. Oh, nostalgia, like a symphony of our memories. Oh.
So guys, finally my bike is serviced, the software is updated and the front brake lever is changed. I don't know why. The new one and the old one, I compared them, but they look the same for me. But anyways, everything is done. Talking about the amount I paid, the final amount which I paid is 2320 rupees. I used my second service coupon which I was having with me. It is supposed to be used in 1 year or 15,000 kilometers, whichever is earlier. But anyways, since I was having it, I used it. So in that, what happens is that the labor charges are waived off. So next time when I get my bike service done, basically I won't have a coupon. I will have to pay the labor charges. Is there a signal here? I can't see. Oh, it's there behind the statue. It's not visible. So coming back to the billing, what all I got done in the services, I got my engine oil changed. They use ProLube. Around 2 liters of oil is consumed, which costs around some 1700 rupees. And then oil filter got renewed. Air filter has to be changed, but they were not in stock right now since the showroom is not open. Oh, between the showroom is not inaugurated yet. I thought it is a functioning showroom. They don't have a service center, but it's not there. It was the basic service. I got my chain lubed, I got my chain clean, adjusted, that's it. Basic service. And it costed me 2320. So the front brake lever, it costs some 300 rupees. It was shown in the bill and it got waived off because it is being changed by the company. So it's done from their part, so I didn't have to pay it. But anyways, it showed in the bill that it cost somewhere around 300, which got waived off. After the software update, do I feel any change while riding the bike? Not really. At higher speeds, definitely I didn't have any problem earlier too. So I'll be using it for a couple of days more, and then I'll get back to you with a video letting you know if I'm facing the issue still. Bro, his door is not closed. Scary. Oh no. I thought it was not close, but he just had to spit it. No comments, bro, no comments. So that's it, guys. I've almost reached back. I'm ending this video right here. Please do share your thoughts in the comments down below, and do share my video with your friends, because that really helps my channel grow. So thumbs if you like it, subs if you love it. This is Kraken signing off. Until next time, peace.